we are going to see the new practical, that is the study of effect of pH on activity of catalase. Catalase are one of the important enzymes. These enzymes are present in all living organisms, in also plants. Enzymes accelerate the rate of reactions. Enzymes carries out the biochemical reactions in the living organisms, and these enzymes, these are act on the specific substrate. That is the catalase enzyme is a specific acts on the specific substrate, that is a hydrogen peroxide, and this hydrogen peroxide, that is a twice H2O2 is breakdown. It is a twice H2O and O2 is evolved in the atmosphere with the help of this catalase enzyme, that is known as hydrogen peroxidase. For the study of this purpose, the plant fresh leaf of the Moringa, Tradex, Acacia, Susmania, suitable example of the leaf is taken. Then requires the material, that is hydrogen peroxide, 4 pH solution, 7 pH solution, 9 pH solution of this plant extract. The procedure of this experiment: take the 20 gram of the fresh leaves, wash with the distilled water, blot it, then major veins are removed and crush in the mortar with the pestle by additions of the distilled water. After sufficient crushing, this extract is filtered to the muslin cloth. Filtrate is taken. For this purpose, 3 test tubes are required. They are named as A, B, C. In each test tube, 2 ml plant extract is taken with 2 ml, that is equal volume. In a test tube A, 2 ml 4 pH solution is added. In test tube B, 2 ml of 7 pH solution is added. And in test tube C, 2 ml of 9 pH solution is added. And each and every test tube A, B, C, 2 ml of hydrogen peroxide is poured. In each test tube, 2 ml of hydrogen peroxide is poured. Means in each test tube, 2 ml plant extract and 2 ml of hydrogen peroxide is poured. Only difference, 4 pH, 7 pH and 9 pH in 3 test tubes are taken. Then immediately we are observed the observations, that is in a test tube, less efflorescence, less evolution of the O2 bubbles. In the test tube B, more evolution or more appearances of the oxygen bubbles. And C test tubes, again less evolution of oxygen bubbles are recorded. Hence, it clearly remarks that in A test tube, enzyme activity is less. In B test tube, enzyme activity is more. And C test tube, enzyme activity is less. Then, effect of pH, that is 4 pH acidic pH, 9 pH alkaline pH, means different, more acidic, more alkaline. There is a less activity of the enzyme. And 7, that is a neutral pH, the activity is more, that is the evolution of the O2 bubbles are more, therefore activity is more. This experiment is conclude that at a specific pH range, the activity is more, that is the acceleration rate is more, biochemical reactions takes place more, that is in the neutral pH. And as it increases the pH, or as it decreases the pH of the solution, the rate of reaction is less.